This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Xbox account's email address. This process involves updating your Microsoft account's primary alias. You'll need to use a web browser on a computer or mobile device, as this cannot be done directly on your Xbox console. First, navigate to the Microsoft account website and sign in with your current email and password. Once signed in, locate the Your Info section and then click on Manage How You Sign into Microsoft. Here, you'll see an option to add email. You can either create a brand new Outlook.com email address or add an existing one you already use. Carefully type in your preferred new email address, then select Add Alias to link it to your account. After adding the alias, you must verify it. Head over to the inbox of your new email address. You should find a verification link or a code from Microsoft. Click the link or enter the code to confirm ownership. Once verified, go back to the Manage How You Sign into Microsoft page. Find your new email in the list and click the Make Primary option next to it. Now, you have the option to remove your old email alias if you no longer wish to use it. Please note, if your old email is a Microsoft domain like hotmail.com, removing it deletes it permanently. Finally, sign out of your Xbox console and then sign back in using your brand new primary email address. Your games and progress will remain safe and accessible.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.